In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to send emails to all registered users in WordPress. If you allow user registration on your WordPress site, then you may be automatically adding registered users to your email list as well. In case you're not adding your registered users in an email list, or your email list is not segmented, then you'd need an alternative solution to send a mass email to all registered users. Today, I'm going to show you a great plugin that you can use to send emails about important announcements, account status, password update requests, and more. When you send a large amount of emails from your server, then the host can block you, hence it is recommended that you use an email software like MailChimp. First, you need to install and activate the Email Users plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, if you notice, you'll see the Email Users icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon and click on Email Users. Here you have two options: send a message to an individual or send a group message. Click here to send a group message. First, select the mail format. Now here, add all the recipients of the mail. You can add multiple recipients here. Then add the mail subject here, and the message here. Then click on Send Email, and that's it. This is how you can send email to all registered users in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you liked the video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.